Welcome. My name is Pablo Urbano, and I'm going to show the last experiment that we have to do today, and that is to explain how I created the level that we are going to use for the NPC. Let's start by showing how the game goes, and then we are going to explain detail by detail what did I do to create such a place. Okay, as you can see, we have textures working, the animations are working. Up here you can see that the NPC is doing its the patrolling that needs to be done with the state of patrolling. You can see that there are many passages around the place, and also you can see that there is, well, apart from the passages, there is not much else, but of course that it's planned to be more to be added later on. And if we get to him, if we get to the NPC, he will do the hello interaction and set off with the player, and the lantern should work too. There you go. Lantern is working as it should for 10 seconds, again as on the previous video where I explained that it was going to take 10 seconds. And if the NPC goes through the batteries, it will turn on the battery again. So if we go to here, we'll see that there is actually also an ending to this little place. You can see here, soon when we get to the finish line, it if the NPC crosses the finish line, it will say that we cleared the level. So I'm going to stay here, and we're going to wait for the NPC to come by. And there you go. You have rescued the NPC. So after just a little bit of time, I created this little level for the player to experiment with the tutorials and how it works, and we wanted to make it thematically correct. So we went with this textures of caves, of a cave, and apart from that, we didn't alter too much. We didn't want to add too much stuff. We added also the script, that it's basically the same script that we use for the text on the NPC. That it is. Oh yeah, it's here. There it is. So if we compare the script, it's basically the same script, but we wanted to use a different script just so we can call the tag NPC instead of calling the tag player, because it will be a problem if we have the same script for both and change the script, because it will change the script for both of them. Apart from that, we didn't do much. We also made it so we can have various batteries around, so the player will basically, the NPC will get the batteries and light up its lantern. But as you can see, there is not much to be explained about how the level goes and how it was created. Of course, that we use the same as always. We use a Trello, and we decided to go with to create everything, and we decided to go with this to-do list, and it's fairly simple. So basically we created the gray box layout, but of course that I don't have it right now with me because I created on top of it. I created everything that had to be created. After that, we decided to just refine it a little bit so we can add the little passages, so the player knows like that there are other places to go. And of course we created the winning state, and everything else was just to place the NPC, the player, textures, and well, that was basically it. That was basically it about this level. It's a fairly simple level, a very simple level, Not much was done on it, but we managed to create something that basically works as a tutorial level or as a way to explain how the mechanic of the lantern and the rescuing NPCs work. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.